Hello, my name is Victor Congionti, and I'm the co-founder and CEO at Proven Data. You're probably wondering, what do I do now that I'm a victim of a ransomware attack? Well, you've come to the right place, as we've helped thousands of clients recover their data from ransomware and protect their business from cyber threats. We leverage our threat intelligence from past security incidents to help you make informed decisions about how to restore your data effectively. To start the process, please open a case on our website. If it is an emergency, please indicate this on the form so our team can address it promptly. After the case is created, you'll be provided with the next steps and expectations for our services. After you agree to the terms of service, you can schedule a remote evaluation. The evaluation helps our team provide an accurate quote as a result of data points collected about the ransomware variant. We can give key insight needed to help determine if hackers are still in your network. Why is that important? Hackers can install backdoors and malware to cause further damage, so even if you recover your data, the hackers may come back at a later date and re-encrypt your files. Our team is experienced in removing these hackers from your network and implementing the proper security protocols if you do not have the expertise. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to use the live chat feature on our website or call us 24/7. Thank you for trusting Proven Data to help get your business up and running again.